Hello VC, the Waxed here, and in this video I have an unboxing for the June 2022 Record Store Day. Another Record Store Day? Well, they had a Record Store Day in April, just passed. It was awesome, by the way. But they had created a fallback day for titles that weren't ready because of manufacturing issues for June 18th. But it's turning into quite an impressive list of records that will be available. So feels like just another record store day. So the good folks over at Omnivore Recordings have sent me over a couple albums. I already did one unboxing, and here's another one. It's Linda Hoover, I Mean to Shine. Now you're asking yourself, who's Linda Hoover? Who is she? That's Linda Hoover. This has got to be one of the more interesting stories that I can remember for a title that was released on Record Store Day. There's been a lot of kind of lost recordings and unreleased albums. Well, this is yet another unreleased album. This was a record that was recorded in 1970 when Linda Hoover was like 19 years old. But the story behind the band or who was involved in the making of this album is quite interesting. The backing band on this album is Steely Dan, Walter Becker, Donald Fagen. Most of the band, there's also Jeff Skunk Baxter, there's John DeCipio, Eric Weisberg, Jerome Richardson, and members of the Dick Cavett Orchestra, strings, brass, and woodwinds. 5 of the songs on here are written by Donald Fagen and Walter Becker. There's one song by Stephen Stills. Now, I'm pulling out my notes to go over the whole kind of crazy story. Also, there's 3 original songs written by Linda Hoover herself. This was shelved over a business disagreement. And it's just crazy that after it was shelved, Linda Hoover, she went back to live with her parents, and she didn't record again. One of the songs Barbra Streisand covered, and that kind of put things in a bad way with her. But she continued to pursue her musical career in New York, but with other creative teams gone and no record release, she left. But she took a tape of the recording with her when she went away, and she's still around, and with her blessing, this release is out. With her blessing, mainly also Gary Katz, who produced the album, and he produced, I think, all the Steely Dan and most of the Steely Dan albums. So crazy that this was unearthed. And here's the hype sticker here. I'll read it to you. The lost 1970s masterpiece unearthed. Linda Hoover, backed by members of Steely Dan. It's produced by Gary Katz, featuring songs written by Walter Becker and Donald Fagen, Stephen Stills, and Richard Manuel, and more. So crazy, huh? That this 50 some odd years later is seeing the light of day. And Steely Dan is as popular as ever. Unfortunately, Walter Becker passed away, but Donald Fagen still touring as Steely Dan. And last year they released 2 of the later albums that were really not available on vinyl for Record Store Day. So they're as popular as ever. And to find out there's kind of a pseudo unreleased Steely Dan album, it's crazy. But let's cut to the chase, and I'll do an opening here. Have my handy dandy knife. Let's see if I could do this without stabbing myself in the hand. Right there. So nice when that happens. Leave the shrink on. Here we go, pulling out. Oh, nice inner sleeve. With liner notes there. Too small for you to read, but here's some pictures of Linda. Let's see what this album looks like. Nice. Nice flat. And nice label with Linda's picture on it. Let's see if I can get that there for you. Yeah, nice. Same on both sides. Really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a needle drop at the end of the video, and you can hear for yourself and tell me your thoughts. This is quite interesting. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are thus far of seeing me open up the album. And let me know in the comments what you think of the needle drop. Let me know if you're interested in picking this up and hearing for yourself. And your plans for the June Record Store Day drop and what you're looking forward to. Of course, if you're not subscribed to me, I don't know what you're thinking. Please do it. You can give me a thumbs up. You can hit the bell notification for when I post new videos. And until next time, the Waxed Out.